another in the series of morning maintenance. I know you guys haven't been taking care of your grinders out there, so I'm going to show you how to take care of the Mazzer mini electronic grinder today. So first thing you want to do obviously is let's get rid of the beans in here, and luckily this one has a shut-off valve, so you just go like that, put them in the bowl. Now you want to take this and wash it. I recommend hand washing these. You don't want to throw it in the dishwasher unless it's on the top shelf without the heating element on. Hand wash that. Just, it's plastic. It won't fit if it gets all distorted. These are the tools we're going to use. And you're probably wondering, what the heck is this? Well, this is a shop vac. So that's just to get all the rest of the beans out of there. You can obviously run them out as well, and let me just run them out. Anything that might be in there. Okay, so that was just a little bit left in between the burrs. Now, if you want to just do a real fast cleaning, I recommend using the Grindz. You can actually put the Grindz in here, about a capful. Run it up to a coarser setting is what they recommend. And the settings on the Mazzers, this is really stiff, and it's that way for a reason, to keep it, whatever you adjust it for is to keep it there. So I would run that through. And what that does is Grindz cleans out the burrs. It does a really good job of it. Or if you don't want to do that, take it apart. But after you get done with the burrs, burr cleaning, the grind, once you put that in there, chase it with some coffee. So you can see there's no more, there's just coffee coming out. No Grindz cleaner. So that got rid of that. But if you don't want to do that, and you want to take it apart, take this off like I showed you. Vacuum this. Well, I'll vacuum it after I get this apart. And this machine, let's see, course is that way. Yeah, I want to make sure I'm going the right way. You want to unscrew it. And this takes quite a bit to get this out of here. It's not, see, it's going up. You can see it. The top burr comes out like this. Junk in there. See, that's the top burr, that's the bottom burr. Now I would just simply take a brush like this Palo sweep brush and clean it out as best you can. Do not use water. These are not designed to be wet. It's stainless steel, but it's not good for it. And actually, if you got it wet and you didn't get all this ground coffee out of here, it would turn the ground coffee into kind of like clay, and you'd be really in a bad way. So I'm also taking the inside and getting all the coffee loose in here, and then I'm going to take the shop vac again. Bit down, there's a crack in here, you know, a crevice that kind of collects stuff. Didn't get it all out the first time. We'll just get that out of there. But you get the idea. Clean this all out until everything's looking real good. Put it back together. And there's springs here. This is what makes this all work. There's a spring in each one of these tabs, and as you screw the burr with this, turn it, it goes up and down. Pretty cool, huh? And it's a reverse thread, so make sure when you're putting it back together, it's reverse. Now we can run it back down and get close to where we need to be, and then put some beans in and test it and see where it's at. I won't go through that whole process, but really what you're now going to have to do is you're going to have to dial in that grinder again. So get it close, start dialing it in, get that perfect shot, or do it this way, or use Grindz, and I recommend using the Grindz, especially with an oily bean, every couple of weeks. And if not, if your beans are not so oily, once a month or so will work. Cap full through there. You'd be surprised just how much it cleans out those burrs. You saw there wasn't much on them when I took it apart. If you like this video, thumbs up. Twice, once, just give us some thumbs up. We really appreciate it, and keep watching for the next morning maintenance, which probably some more grinder stuff, machine stuff. Never know what we're going to do. Just keep watching.